Assalamualaikum. Today I would explain about the past continuous. Past continuous was or word is used. Was with the singular and word with the plural subject. She was speaking English. Listen me few sentences. She was working hard. He was going to school. My father was going to office. Ahmad was singing a song. Kanza was cooking rice. They were flying kites. The boys were playing cricket. They were swimming. She was taking bath. He was writing a letter. यानी कि was और word का इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है. Was और word. अब how to make negative? She was working hard. वो सख्त मेहनत कर रही थी. Was she working hard? It is interrogative sentence. Was को पहले लाया. She was working hard. Word was को पहले लाया. She was working hard. और आखिर में हमने क्वेश्चन मार्क्स लगाना है. भूलिएगा नहीं. She was working hard. Was she working hard? Boys were playing cricket. Were boys playing cricket? A negative. Boys were not playing cricket. Kanza was cooking rice. Kanza was cooking rice. पहले Kanza subject was का इस्तेमाल प्लस वर्ड आईएनजी के साथ विथ आईएनजी. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस में भी फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ आईएनजी और पास्ट कंटिन्यूस में भी फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ आईएनजी का इस्तेमाल लाजिम है. केंद्रा वाज कुकिंग राइस. वाज केंद्रा कुकिंग राइस. नेगेटिव वाज और वर्ड के बाद नॉट का इस्तेमाल करना है. Kendra was not cooking rice. Kendra was not cooking rice. Was not, were not. नेगेटिव के लिए और इंटीग्रेटिव बनाने के लिए was और were को जुमले के पहले लिखेंगे. Was and were is used in the beginning of sentence if you want to make integrative. The gardener was watering the plant. Similar है. The gardener was watering the plant. माली पौधों को पानी दे रहा था. क्या माली पौधों को पानी दे रहा था? Was the gardener watering the plant? Water माने पानी, water माने पानी देना. दोनों चीज होती है. Was gardener watering the plant? Negative. The gardener was not watering the plant. She was taking bath. Was she taking bath? I was writing a letter. Was I writing a letter? I was not writing a letter. He was working hard for the examination. Was he working hard for the examination? He was not working hard for the examination. This is present, past continuous tense. आखिर में फिर से सुन ले. She was speaking English. पहले subject, उसके बाद was या word. यहाँ पर क्योंकि she है, singular है, तो she was, word गया present tense. Word present tense में प्लस ing के साथ she was working. उसके बाद hard. She was working hard. मेरे ख्याल से चंद जुमलों में आप मेरी पूरी बात समझ चुके होंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच। अगर मेरी बात आपके जहन में उतरती हो, समझ में आती हो, तो सर जाहिद की हौसला अफजाई करेंगे, सब्सक्राइब करेंगे और मुमकिन हो तो लाइक करें और कमेंट करें।